个位置，但风很大。是有人坐吗？没有，风很大。那风很大哦。找位置坐。
All right, everybody. You can hear me. Clap once. You can hear me. Clap twice.
All right, guys. Thank you for your attention. Welcome to another day of your second grade class. I'm Teacher Petrus.
And I'm Teacher Ashley.
And today we are going to be learning about the 4 seasons. Okay, so before we start, let's just set a rule. So after every slide, I am going to say understand. That means 听得懂吗? If you understand, put your thumbs up. Okay? Got it. Cool.
All right, I'm going to ask a few questions now. How many of you have ever felt hot before? Raise your hands. Yeah.
I know I felt hot. Who's ever felt cold before?
Now, have you guys ever wondered why we feel these different feelings? Well, that's because of something called seasons. And every year we have 4 seasons. And these seasons are
Winter,
spring, summer, fall. Can you say that with us?
winter, spring, summer, fall. Good job, guys.
So the first season that we're going to go over is winter. During the winter time, it gets really
cold.
And because it's so cold, I like to wear a lot of clothes to keep warm. And that can include a jacket, a scarf, and now, finally, I'm not cold anymore.
And sometimes in winter, it gets so cold that even the rain gets cold. And that's why there's these things called snow.
Now, who can complete the sentence? In the winter, it is... Sarah? Cold. That's right, Sarah. Everyone, say it with us. In the winter, it is cold. The next season we're going to go over is spring. During the springtime, it gets a bit warmer, so we get to take off some clothes. And during the spring, it also rains a lot. And flowers grow, and new plants also. And when it rains, what is this boy holding over here? Who can answer? Yes, Joanna? An umbrella. Right, an umbrella. An umbrella can protect you
Like
against
this
rain. And also, wearing a rain jacket can do the same thing.
So, in the spring, it is rainy. Can we all do that? In the spring, it is rainy. And what grows in spring?
Yes.
Flowers. That's right. Flowers grow in the spring. All right, can we all say that together? In the spring, it is rainy and flowers grow.
The next season is summer. Right now we're in summer and we're feeling really hot. Because it's so hot because the sun is in the sky and it's shining so bright.
And so sunny and so bright and so hot. Now look at the sun. What is he wearing? Even the sun is wearing sunglasses. Because it's so hot.
During the summertime, we like to eat a lot of watermelon. Can we put that? During the summertime, we like to eat a lot of watermelon, and we also go swimming because it's so hot. So who can complete the sentence now? In the summer, it is very, yes, hot. That's right. Say it with us. In the summer, it is very hot. Now finally, the last season is fall. During the fall, the leaves change colors and they fall off the trees. Also, during the fall, it gets a little colder because it's so windy. That's what the wind looks like. So, who can complete the sentence the last time? In the fall, it is very... Yes.
windy.
You're right. Say it with us, everyone. In the fall, it is very
windy. So, we just learned the 4 seasons and how they feel. So, can you say all of these words with me? We'll start with these 4 seasons. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Again. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Good job. And in these seasons, they can feel cold, rainy, hot, windy. Cold, rainy, hot, windy. Good job, guys. That was great.
All right, now we're going to go over these vocabulary words one more time. In the summer, we feel hot. In the spring, it gets rainy. In the fall, it gets very
windy.
And finally, in the winter, it gets very
cold.
Now we're going to play a game called Match Your Motions. Now, we're going to demonstrate how we play. Every time I say a season, you do the appropriate action that associates with it. For example, I say summer, and he says, hot. I say winter, and he says,
cold.
I say fall, and he says,
windy.
And I say spring, and he says,
rainy.
Now we're going to play with you guys, and you guys better keep up because the speed is going to increase as they go along. So, are you guys ready? All right. Are you marked? Get set. Fall. Spring. Summer. 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 Winter. Spring.
Fall. Summer. Winter. Summer. Winter, summer, winter, summer, winter, spring, fall, winter, summer, fall, winter, spring.
All right. I can tell you guys are getting tired, and you've mastered all the seasons and how they feel. So we'd like to thank you for a wonderful class.
Yeah, thank you so much for paying attention. We love you guys.
Thank you very much.
Alright, thanks for the excellent performance. So now it's time for your Chinese lesson. How do you say spring, summer, winter, fall in Chinese? Chuan, spring is Chuan Tian. How about summer? Good. How about fall? Excellent. And how about winter? Good job. Alright, now let's move to the second team. Okay, the second team is, okay, the second team is A27. A27. Let's welcome A27. The teachers are Iris and Jenny, and their lovely students are Jocelyn, Janice, Isabel, and Felicia. And their teaching theme is transportation.
Good morning, class. Good morning. Very good. Okay. Today we are going to learn about transportation. Does anyone know what transportation is? No? That's okay because we're going to teach you. I guess we're not going to teach you. Hold on. Okay. Does anybody know what this is? Raise your hand. Yes, Janice? No, it's not a circle. Does anyone else have any guesses? Yes, Isabel? Very good. Plus 1 point. This is a car. Repeat after me. Car. Car. How about this? Does anybody know what this is? This one. Raise your hand. for your team. Yes?
Very good. It's a boat.
Repeat after me. Boat. Boat.
Okay. How about this? Does anybody know what this is? Yes, Janice? That is a train. Very good.
Okay, repeat after me. Train. Train.
And this one? Yes. In English, please.
Does anyone have any guesses? Yes, Janice? It's an airplane. Repeat after me. Airplane. Airplane. Very good.
Okay, so these are all forms of transportation. Can everybody say that? Transportation. Good. So repeat after me. This is a car. Good. This is a train. Boat. Good. It's a boat. This is a train. Very good. Now this is an airplane. Good. Does anybody know why it's an and not a?
Raise your hand. Get the points if you answer correctly. Okay.
Yes, Janice?
A-E-I-O-U.
Very good. 2 points. Does anybody know what those letters are called? Yes, Isabel?
Bow.
Vows are what you say at your wedding, but these are vowels.
Let's say it together. Vowels. Very good.
Now, do you know what vowels do when they're at the front of a word?
Felicia, would you like to answer a question? Or just try?
This is an airplane.
Okay, that's an example of what you do when there's a vowel at the beginning of it. Okay, plus points.
So if a word starts with A, E, I, O, or U, you have to use an instead of a. Does everybody understand?
You understand? Raise your hand. Okay, very good.
Okay, so we're going to play a game, but before we start, which direction? Do you know which direction this person is going?
Anyone?
Try the other one. Very good. Plus 2 points.
Let's say it together. Right.
How about this person?
Yes? Left.
Very good. This person is going left. Okay, now we're going to play a game.
Do we have any volunteers? Get points for your team.
5 points if you volunteer.
Okay,
Isabel,
Isabel.
come on up. Okay, so you're going to pick a direction to go. You're going to pick left or right. Right, okay. You got attacked by pirates. Try again.
Okay, we're gonna go back to the beginning. Left or right?
Left.
Okay, can you make a sentence with the word?
This is a car.
Very good.
Now say it together. This is a car.
Now, left or right?
Right.
Can you make a sentence with this picture?
This is a train.
Okay,
Very
now let's say it
good.
together. This is a train.
So pick your next direction, left or right.
Left.
You got eaten by sharks. Try again.
Okay, does anyone else want to volunteer? Plus 5 points for Isabel. Okay, Joycelyn, do you want to go left or right? Left. Can you make a sentence with this picture?
No, you got eaten by sharks again. That's she went out.
Oh, okay.
I'll give you 2 points for trying. A for effort. Does anybody else want to try?
Right?
Okay. Can you make a sentence with the picture?
This is